Dodge just brought back the one-name muscle car fans never forgot. This is the 2027 Dodge Charger Super Bee, a legend reborn. That grille has a reputation, and it's back to remind everyone why. This light signature cuts through the dark like a warning to every rival. Every line on this body was built for one purpose: raw American muscle. From behind, the Super Bee's presence is just as loud as its name. Every badge on this car carries decades of muscle car history. Bold black wheels complete a stance built to intimidate on any street. Dodge didn't just bring back a name, they brought back the entire attitude. Step inside and every detail reminds you this is still a Dodge at heart. This wheel connects you directly to decades of muscle car heritage. These seats aren't just comfortable, they hold you in for every launch. Beneath that hood sits the power that made the Super Bee a legend. On the road, the Super Bee doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Every reveal like this reminds you, some legends never really left. As night falls, its glowing signature lights make it impossible to ignore. The 2027 Dodge Charger Super Bee, the legend is officially back.